Hi, this is Edison Chen. This is a beautiful work done by Y.O.R.constructions. They have done the job fast, clean, nice, and I appreciate the hard work. They have helped me take care of what I need.
Did they clean everything? Came on time?
Yes,
Were
yes,
kind
that
to
is
you?
correct. The crew is here on time. They do it fast, clean everything. Now I am back to my normal life.
What city you in?
I am located at Hacienda Heights.
Okay, thank you.
No
I'm gonna
problem.
picture now the. I'm gonna picture it from the top too. So the top is with tracks. This was existing, we just put it back. That's it. Done.